In today's tech video, we are going to take a good look and we're going to unbox these two new watches by Wyze. This is the Wyze Watch 44 and the Wyze Watch 47. So we're going to unbox these things and give you guys a good look at them. That's today's tech video. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I'm excited to dive into today's unboxing video of Wyze's new smartwatch. Now I've been using the old iWatch from Apple here, so I'm excited to see how these compare. And just by judging on the box right here, they look pretty similar to the Apple Watch. So now Wyze did come out with two different versions here, two different sizes. This one here is the 47, Wyze Watch 47. This one's the Wyze Watch 44. As you can see, they made some different branding on the packages here. This one's a more of a long shaped one, kind of like what Apple sends out whenever whenever you buy a brand new Apple Watch. This one here is more condensed and of a square box, but just to kind of give you a look here, it does keep track of your sleeping here. It's got customizable screens. The watch is waterproof. Women's health tracking, activity heart rate tracking, and blood oxygen levels. It tracks that all as well. Let's go ahead and unbox these and get a good look at them. Okay, so here's the Wyze Watch 44. As far as what's inside the box, I'll give you a quick start guide. The packaging looks pretty professional on these. Charge to activate. So here's the 44. Let's go ahead and get the 47 out of the box, and then we'll go ahead and open it up too, so that way you get a good look at how wide these things are compared to each other. Alright, so the 44 and the 47, this gives you a little bit of a size difference between the two. This one here is more of a smaller size. Let's peel that off. And then that's more of a bigger size there. Now let's compare it to the... Alright, so this just gives you a little bit of a comparison on the Apple Watch. Now this Apple Watch here is the bigger one of the two different sizes of Apple Watch that they offer. And judging it right here, the Wyze Watch is a little bit bigger than the bigger size Apple Watch. The Wyze Watch 44 looks like it's pretty similar to the same size as the bigger Apple Watch. So these have some bigger size screens on them for being an Apple Watch. Now putting it on our wrist like that, this is what the bigger one would look like. And putting it on your wrist here, this is what the smaller band would look like. Now just at first glance here, I do see that I can see where the screen would end, and it looks like it does have a black bar at the bottom, black bar at the top. On the back side here, this is where your sensors are, and on the back side of the Watch 47, your sensors are on the back right there. Okay, now as far as the charging cables go, on both of the charging cables for either watch, they are exactly the same. They've got these ports on the back here that would connect to your watch to charge it up. Okay, so when charging up your smartwatch here, you'll notice that this is a USB end on this side. Here's the charging port. You'll just take a regular 5-watt, like any type of adapter that plugs into the USB that goes into a wall outlet, like maybe an old iPhone or Fire Stick or some type of device. You can find one of those square type of adapters to plug that into, and then that'll help charge up your watch. Now when charging it, something that I found kind of different, usually they have some like slots that match. This doesn't quite match. It's magnetic. It attaches on similar like so. So I'm not quite sure if you have to put it on there exactly like that, or if it's just whatever catches on the magnetic portion that starts charging. So let's find out right now. Okay, so I have one end there charging into the wall, but this gives you a little bit of a look at how to charge it. If you notice, it won't attach this way, but if I flip the cable over, it automatically attaches like so. So there's only one way to really put that on. Won't do it this way. The magnets bounce off of it, but then it attaches just like so. So that's how you start to charge it, and As soon as I started charging it, the watch came on right here to scan the QR code with the Wyze app to get it all paired up on your Wyze app on your smartphone. Now on the quick start guide, it says it gives you a QR code of where you can scan that to get the Wyze app, or you can just search Wyze app. What you'll do is you'll add a new device. You'll go through all the prompts of signing up for an account if you don't have one, and then you'll select which Wyze band that you have, whether the 44 or 47. You'll enter in that number that'll confirm the pairing, and then pretty much just go through all the prompts of setting up your Wyze band. Okay, so here it is. This is a first look at the Wyze band. What I'm going to do is this is just the unboxing video. I am going to do a review video of wearing these things after a week to kind of give you guys my full thoughts on if these bands are worth the price, or if you should just bypass it, go on to something else, or maybe this might be the particular smartwatch for you. So stay tuned for that video. But if this unboxing video was helpful to you and knowing a little bit more about it, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.